You want to know how to make over $1,000 typing text into a box? If so, you clicked on the right video. It's a good chance you know what ChatGPT is. If not, ChatGPT is a conversational language model developed by OpenAI and uses advanced machine learning techniques such as deep learning and transformer networks to generate human-like responses to text-based prompts. This is 9 business ideas that you can create using ChatGPT. The last one is probably the easiest business you can start, so stick around to have your mind blown. Number 1, scriptwriter. This is probably the easiest business that you can start using ChatGPT. The reason being is because you can just type into the ChatGPT what kind of YouTube script that you would like to write and it will create one for you. Of course, you have to go in and double check everything and make sure that the grammar is correct. But for the most part, ChatGPT will do the majority of the work for you. If you check on Fiverr, you can see that people are already making a boatload of money doing script writing. The majority of these script writers are using an AI to help them, so why not get in and make some easy money using ChatGPT? Number 2, article writer. This is similar to script writing, but for script writing, you are mainly targeting YouTube script writers. With being an article writer, you are targeting people that own blogs that make the majority of their money from affiliate sales. People who own blogs would love to outsource a lot of the work to someone who is qualified and can make their job much easier. If you look on Fiverr, you can see people are making a lot of money doing article writing. In order to get this kind of work done, all you have to do is type into ChatGPT, create me a 500-word article about something, and it will generate the article for you. The next business idea that you can start with ChatGPT is YouTube automation. YouTube automation is when you pay other people to create YouTube videos for you, from the script to the video editing. You make the profits off the videos themselves using AdSense, brand deals, and any other income potential directly off the channel. YouTube automation is one of the best businesses that you can start with ChatGPT because script writing is probably the most expensive portion of YouTube automation. If you can write the scripts, you can hire somebody to do the voiceover on a platform like Fiverr or Upwork. You can create a lot of videos quickly and make a lot of money. Also, if you make videos on finance or any other high CPM, you can easily make a 6-figure income from doing this method. YouTube automation is not easy, but it's made much easier when you have an AI that can feed you an unlimited amount of scripts and ideas for videos that can make you thousands of dollars, literally. The next business idea that you can start with ChatGPT is becoming a blogger. You can write an unlimited amount of articles and blogs utilizing ChatGPT, and if you put it on a blog with a bunch of affiliate links, you're pretty much writing yourself a blank check. If you really take advantage and you put in the time to write article after article, you can easily make thousands of dollars in affiliate revenue. All you have to do after ChatGPT writes the blogs is to proofread it and to make sure that everything is okay. You also will have to insert affiliate products in there. People have made millions of dollars from the beginning of the Web 2.0 boom by creating blogs, and ChatGPT is making it easier for someone to get into that medium. The next business idea is an ebook writer. This is similar to an article writer and a blogger, but the biggest difference is that if you charge people to write their ebooks, the amount of money that you can make is much higher for each client that you get. The only dilemma is that ChatGPT only creates short responses. You will have to know the topics that you will want to write about in the ebook in advance. After that, all you will have to do is put the questions into ChatGPT, get the answers, and put it all together. If you check Fiverr, you will see people are charging absurd amount of money creating ebooks for other people. You can also create your own ebook and upload it to Amazon and start making your own income from it. The next business is the translation business. To start this business, all you have to do is create a $5 or $10 gig on Fiverr, saying that you'll translate a certain amount of text. When someone purchases your service and send you the text, all you have to do is put it into ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to translate this into whatever language the person wants you to translate it to. You can see how many people are making money doing a similar service. This might be the business with the lowest barrier of entry. The next business idea that you can start using ChatGPT is becoming a resume writer. Everybody needs a resume in order to get a better paying job, so this kind of business will never go out of style. If you type into the ChatGPT, "I need you to create a resume for me," it will tell you, "Send me the details and everything that you need to create the resume, and I will create it for you." This is probably one of the easiest businesses that you can get into with a very low barrier of entry using ChatGPT, and you can make a lot of money. The next business is becoming a proofreader. A proofreader is someone that reads over articles, blog posts, or any kind of text to make sure that there's no grammatical errors in it. You can insert the text that someone sends you to proofread into ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to proofread it for you. For this business, you'll pretty much have ChatGPT do all the work for you. You can also put it into different platforms like Microsoft Word to do different grammatical checks if you want to be sure. This business is fairly easy if you don't mind putting in the work to start it. Last but not least, the easiest business out of all the businesses I've told you about today, the one I promised you guys from the beginning of the video, is to become a business name generator. For this business, all you have to do is type into ChatGPT to generate great business names for whatever type of business you want to help somebody create a name for. ChatGPT can spit out an endless amount of business names. You can literally send someone 100 names if they pay for 10, and they will love you for it because they'll have more than enough names, and you might even get a tip. A bonus business idea for those who stayed on the video for this long is to use ChatGPT to become a research essay writer. This business will always be booming due to the amount of people in school that struggle with doing research papers. All you have to do is write into ChatGPT to research the topic at hand, and ChatGPT will give you the majority of the research paper you're looking for. Of course, you will have to do a small amount of work proofreading and making sure it reads like a research paper. I like this business a lot because of how repeatable it is. Most research papers that people have to write is based off facts, and ChatGPT is perfect for pulling concrete facts and data for a research paper. Also, the amount of time it used to take to write a research paper was absurd. You're talking about at least a few days of dedicated work to have a half-decent research paper, but now the time is cut in fractions due to ChatGPT. This is probably the most foolproof business idea I gave to you so far. This has been 9 business ideas using ChatGPT. Honestly, this platform is very new, so if you want to be a first mover, I would advise to jump on it while it's still very early. The faster you move on these ideas, the more money you can make. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave a comment below if there is any business ideas that I might have missed. I'll see you later.